Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Noodle link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Ramen Now. I just heard about this last week. The people who make this contacted me and asked me if I would review it and let people know about it, and I'm fascinated. It's a Keurig-style tabletop ramen cooker. So I'm really curious about this thing, and I mean, you can see what it is already. Usually things come in a cardboard box, and that's when I say, let's crack it open and see what's inside, but you know what's inside, so let's crack this open and we'll take a look at it. So upon opening the Ramen Now box, you are greeted with an instruction manual. Important safeguards, know your Ramen Now, before the first use. Ooh, before the first use, interesting. Using your Ramen Now, cleaning and maintenance, and removing mineral deposits. Interesting. Okay, well let's look at this thing. All right, so the cord is wrapped around here. This is cool. Check this out. So it goes like that, eh? Oh, and it definitely pops on there nicely. And then you've got a top area that you fill. Yeah, so that's the reservoir area. I see how it goes down in the back here. Okay. So I have not done as it mentions. Everything needs to be cleaned first. If it doesn't do a good job, I'll let you know. But it looks like it arrived in good condition. Everything, the cord feels solid. Everything looks nice. So this is really cool. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But yeah, that'll be coming up next. Well, here we are. I mean, it works just fine as advertised. It cooks ramen quickly. It's got the timer on it. It shuts off after 14 minutes, so you could let it go for quite a while. I don't know offhand how long I did it for, but yeah, I mean, it will make instant noodles. I used a Marachon noodle block. Let's give it a try. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. It doesn't get messy, doesn't make a big mess. This thing is dishwasher safe. I used it last night. When you first get it, you need to like fill it full of water, run it through. It says to do that like 2 or 3 times. Did that. Then I made some Marachon. I added some fish cake on top, as well as the seasoning. Added a slice of cheese. Let it go. It did great. And yeah, I will be trying it with some other things. I think the next one I'll try it with might be some Korean ramen. The noodle block will be the issue on this, but I think it'll probably work out just fine. For dry varieties, you could use less water. But yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. It's compact. You plug it in, you just go boop after you've put water in there, and then it does the rest. I will say what it doesn't do is know when it's done. It's not like it's a smart device. It turns on, heats water, heats a plate, but aside from that, it cooks noodles. It does as you're supposed to do. These silicone handles really make a big difference. Without that, you would burn the heck out of yourself. So they also stayed on just fine going through. I put it in the top rack of the dishwasher just to be safe. Did just fine on that. So yeah, if you're looking for a little kitchen gadget to make yourself some instant noodles on the reg, this is rad. It is totally like a Keurig kind of thing. And the only thing I would recommend is, say you had this in a college dorm and there were multiple people using it, it would be nice to be able to buy more of these bowls. I think that would be the thing people would really want. But if you're like a big noodle company and you do a contest, you could probably have them brand it with your logo on it, things like that. I think that could be pretty popular. I think it would do well in college, like you got your bookstore that also in the front, at least the colleges I've been to, you got your bookstore and in the front they've got like a shop with like logo wear and this and that. You could get one, you could, if you were at college or university, have your logo put on there, yada, yada, yada. But yeah, it's basic. It works. It does as it's supposed to. And it's pretty cool. So yeah. Well, thanks to the folks over at Ramen Now for sending me one of these to check out. And I think I'll be using it quite a bit, actually. So yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramenrator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you want to get one of these, the link is in the description. Have a good one. Bye.